Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your system and where the image lives because the steps differ slightly. Open Settings or System Preferences now, then navigate to Personalization or Desktop and Screensaver. This is where you control backgrounds. Once done, choose the source option and point to a folder or file. Make sure your image matches screen resolution to avoid stretching. That improves clarity. You'll be ready to apply layout options in the next step. You now select the actual picture and decide how it appears. This is about both aesthetics and function. In Settings, choose Fit Mode. Fill fills screen while preserving crop. Fit keeps whole image. Stretch may distort. If you want rotation, enable slideshow and set the interval to 30 minutes or whatever suits you. Make sure to preview on multiple monitors if available. Otherwise, alignment can place important parts off-screen. Once satisfied, apply to confirm the choice. You finish by applying and testing the background across sessions and displays. Restart if needed to verify persistence. If the wallpaper reverts, check one thing at a time: cloud sync, file permissions, or a profile policy that enforces defaults. For multiple monitors, set each display individually or choose span to stretch a single image. This avoids unexpected cropping. If problems persist, replace the file with a local copy and reapply.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.